What? You want to go in there? Huh? What do you want to do? You gonna go in there? Wanna go in the bedroom? Huh? No, you can't go in there today. I'm keeping it closed. I'm keeping it closed, okay? No, no, no. Boy, you're noisy. Do you think you can open that door? I know you pull on that doorknob at night. Show me how you pull on the door. Show me how you jump against it. Boy, you're noisy. Wow. I'm going to make a video of you. All right? I'm going to make a video of you. Okay? Of being noisy and say, this is what a bangle cat does. They get real noisy when they want their way, don't they? Don't they? Yeah. Well, I'm warming up down here. I got the wood stove going, and it's going to be all going to be nice and warm. It's going to be cold in the bedroom. Oh, well. No, you're not going in there. You got to come down. You'll see. You'll see. All right. B Petro 62 reporting for. She's a noisy cat. They don't mean nothing. They just make a lot of noise. They talk all the time. Sassy. Right? Right. Channel 62.